Today we're going to go over 3 main reasons that your seats are starting to look like this. But first, if you like this DIY content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to be the first to see the new DIY content that we put out, make sure to hit the notification bell also. Reason number 1, the foam cushion. If you take a look at this seat here, this foam's in good shape. You can see the bolster still sitting up nice. It's not flattened out and pancaked down. That's good. Take a look at this other one. Not so good. You can see how it's pancaked down. There's no structure left in the foam on this edge. So if you put a brand new cover on something without any structure, it's not going to hold up. The new cover is going to wear out in no time. And reason number 2, how do you get out of your seats? It seems really elementary, but man, it makes a big difference. We've all seen somebody turn and slide out just like a kindergarten playground slide. That will absolutely destroy your foam, tear the cover up. It's the worst thing you can do to it. You need to step up and out of the vehicle. Use your side rails. Use something on the side. Grab onto the handle. Grab the top of the frame if you don't have a handle. Lift up and out. Step up and step down. Don't slide out like you're on the playground. And reason number 3, how do you get in the truck? Make sure you use the side rails and the handle, or grab the front windshield when you're getting in. But use the rails. They're there for a reason. Lift up, come in, and then sit straight down. Guys, I'm telling you, these couple little tips, even though they seem really basic and elementary, they make a massive difference on how your seat's going to wear. When your seat's in good shape, if you follow these tips on getting in and out of the truck, it's going to hold up for a long time before you have to do any kind of repair to them.